Hello guys, I am Kanisur Rahman. Welcome to my YouTube channel Compu Geeks. Today I am gonna show you some product that I bought by Amazon. So let's check it out. Already I opened this pack. This product by GoNoise. GoNoise, as you can see here, GoNoise short sport Bluetooth sports earphones, splash proof, secure sports fit. So let's check it out. The Bluetooth version, as you can see, 5.0 and ADR. Playtime 2.5 hours. Standby battery 100 hours. Charging time 1 to 2 hours. Splash proof. So let's open it. Some smallest. This is charging kit. As you can see, all time charging with your earphone. And as you can see here, charging very smallest and looking good. Charging pin and right earport and left earport, and here is charger USB cable and USB cable, as you can see here, and some manual guide and some earport. So this is the product, and I hope you like this product. This cost about 24,000. This price very costly, about 3,000 only. That's about I bought by deal some 1800 price only. So that's nice product by GoNoise. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please comment my YouTube channel and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.